In this lesson, we're going to be looking at how we can clean up the array contents and output the results. So removing out duplicates, false values, so empty values, falsy values, undefined, zero, combining, creating the new set, and also filtering out the Boolean values of the results is going to result in creating a brand new array with the filtered values. So these are all going to be unique values from the array with no empty values. Go ahead and create an array. So I've got an index file and linked to a JS file. So there's nothing within the index file. We're just linking it so that we can output the content within the browser. I've got the browser opened on the right hand side and the DevTools console window at the bottom so that we can take a look and see the results from the JavaScript. So let's go ahead and we're going to create an array, add some content into the array. And these can be just a list of names. And also let's add in some empty values into the array and then output the array into the console. And we'll do some cleaning up of the array contents. So right now we've got an array, we've got a bunch of empty items. And what if we want to remove out the duplicates from the array? So adding in some duplicates into the array. So now we've got 16 items in the array and we want to filter out removing out the duplicates from the array. So we can really easily do that by creating a brand new array from the existing array contents, and this can be done using the new set. So creating an array and returning back within the array the new set value, and then using that original array as the constructor for the new set of values. So when we log out the new array that's been created, this will remove out all of the duplicates, and it's not going to remove out the undefined and the empty ones. So those are still available as they were just removed out the duplicate instances of it, but it kept all of the empty ones. So if we want to clean up the array, we can use a filter in order to remove out the empty and falsy values. So creating a second array, and this time we're going to use the original array and filter and returning back. And if we do a Boolean filter, so it's going to return back only the values that exist, so the ones that are true, so none of the falsy ones. So if we have undefined, null, all of those will be removed out. So let's add in null, we'll add in false, and also undefined. So these are all falsy values, as well as zero. So we want to filter out and clean up all of the non-values, so creating a second array, and this is a cleaned up version of the array, but in this one we have the duplicates. In this one we don't have any duplicates, but we've got all of the empty values. So let's create a third one. We're going to be doing a full cleanup of the array contents, where we're going to be removing out all of the duplicates, and then also creating a new set using the array, so that will filter out and remove out the duplicates. So create a new set, and the result will be the filtered response back from the original array. So when we do a console log of array number 3, this should give us a completely cleaned up array, removing out all of the duplicates and the falsy values. So that's what we got there as the result for the last item, where we've just got the 4 cleaned up items that were within the array. So it removed out the duplicates, removed out the empty values and the false values. So that's how you can do a cleanup of the array within one statement, return back the results.